Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete all of the history of Google Chrome browser. So if it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. First of all, click on the startup menu from your PC and search here Chrome. And you will see an app here, Google Chrome. Open it. And now you will see this interface. Normally click on this three-dot vertical line and from here choose history. And now if you click again on this history, then you will see an interface like this. From here you have to choose delete browsing data. And now you will see a pop-up window like this. Here you will get a time range. If you click on it, you will see the drop-down menu of a time range. If you want to delete only data from the last hour, you can choose this one. On the other hand, if you want to delete for 24 hours only, you can choose this one. And so on. So I want to delete all of the data for all time, so I'm choosing all time. And after then, you have to click on this delete data to delete all of the browsing data. On the other hand, if you want to delete all of the data associated with everything, then you can choose this advanced option with these boxes also. So now if you click on this delete data, then every data of this browser is going to be deleted permanently. So that's all about today's video. Now you know how to delete all of the history and browsing data from Google Chrome browser. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.